It's just like a rock star midget.
Demon down on the stage.
It's like an envelope.
He's the name of it.
Multi-talented, we could say. And all different types of acts on stage.
Like all circus performers, Dan's a skilled professional. That means he can do stuff that you know you mustn't copy at home.
Why is this so bizarre?
He light bulbs, opens a beer bottle with his eye socket. He puts fireworks up my arse and light them.
That's the kind of behaviour you'd rightly
He's just performing this to the elderly.
By any of those daring tricks.
Legendary part of his act is attaching the hoover to his willy and dragging it around the stage.
One night, just before he was due on stage, his key prop took a bit of a bashing.
Did you see a bit of a hoover?
Oh, no.
He put his hoover on his thing and tucked the hoover around the stage.
With a broken nozzle, Dan's hoover wouldn't stay in place for his act. He needed to fix it, and quickly.
So I mended the crack with a superglue.
Oh no!
He was already due on stage, but was confident that superglue sets within seconds.
Put the hoover on, connected it to my dick.
What?
This guy deserves. They say as normal. Why are they clapping?
Why is he naked? And they just showed a clip of his penis on YouTube.
Dr. Hayes. Dr. Hayes? Yes, Dad. I've superglued my whistle. How have you done that, you lunatic? I put superglue on it. On your dick? On the hoover. He said, I read the label, and he said it'd be dry in 20 seconds. So we looked at the label, and it actually said it'd be dry in 20 minutes. And then we put it in my car.
This guy deserves everything. He's going.
Just keep it together there, Captain Dan. When I got to the hospital, I started getting really embarrassed about it.
I can see why you might be getting a little bit embarrassed
about
about
it. Receptionist about Dan's predicament.
She said, okay, do you want to bring it in
You
there?
look amazed.
Well, I can.
I'm absolutely lost for words.
Next minute, two nurses come out with a wheelchair. And she said straight to Captain Dan, what have you been doing then? Put me a blanket over me, the hoover connected. You could tell they was trying to laugh, but trying to be professional. They didn't want to laugh.
You don't, colleague.
We can sum up this video.
That's the nurse. They picked a guy.
Probably I should
That guy that looks like a homosexual.
The patient was in a cubicle. And when I went in, I saw Danny, Captain Dan, the demon dwarf. Protruding from his trousers, there was roughly 6 foot length of corrugated rubber tubing, and he explained to me that that was glued to his penis. The main problem, as far as I could see, was the fact that the glue had fabulous...
Imagine him just talking to you about this experience.
Oh, very painful, because all the glue was stuck to me pubes and everything. Take soap and water and gently wash.
I'm sorry for some of the
work on it until the glue frees itself. Is that having a very slow waxing? So once I was
I've never waxed my penis, I won't lie. I never sat down for like...
finger into the tube and just tease the skin away from the plastic tubing.
Ew, he had...
All I can think about is this male nurse with his hands all over me.
Within an hour, the faultlessly professional medical staff of Edinburgh Royal Infirmary had freed Dan's manhood.
Thank God.
And saved
He's back on the street. Did he do it again?
My penis is a very important part of my act.
Just because he's a midget doesn't mean you can show his penis on YouTube.
I really want to get that on a badge. Just because he's a midget doesn't mean...
You can sum up that video really quickly. It's a midget who does freak shows, who gets a hoover, sticks it to his dick, and then it gets stuck.
And he broke the hoover. He does this act where he gets his penis and sticks it in a hoover and tugs it around a stage. And they broke the hose bit, so he used super glue and glued it to his penis. And then they showed it on YouTube. It's like, but you can't show a penis on YouTube. And
okay, let's stop.